Hi friends, in this video we are going to create a movie booking website like Bookmyshow. As you can see, this is the website which we are created, and it's completely beautifully designed website and it's mobile responsive website. Also, this website is a multi-vendor website, which means any theater or show's owner can come to our website and they can sell their ticket on our website. And this website has a ticket seating arrangement function and QR code scanning Android app. All this will get along with this website. So our partners will also get this Android app and they can scan with the QR code and they can easily make the check-in. And this is a movie page of our website, and you can see the movie name here and the particular station or the particular theater which is showing this movie, and the ticket start, ticket fare, and you can see the show time here. And if a person or a customer chooses a particular time, they can book the ticket. They can just choose the time and they can book the ticket. And you can also include the additional information about the movie and everything, but this is a demo website, that's why I am not doing that. Okay, now once a customer chooses a time, they can book the ticket like this, and they can see the screen and everything on the front side, and they can click on book now and they can click on the checkout option, and it's fastly checkout. Express checkout is available on our website. Once the customer complete the billing details, they can complete the billing details, and they can either complete the checkout at they can pay the amount at the station, or they can choose the phone pay or Google Pay or whatever payment method they can choose that, like the credit card, debit card option, and all these options is available on our website. And once the customer click on the checkout option like this, a pop-up window will appear. Here the customer can choose the UPI or QR code and they can scan with their mobile phone and they can just complete the payment. Once the customer completes the payment, they will get a message and email like this, and the ticket will be sent to the customer address like this. On the registered email address, they can see their seat number, time, etc. Like this, they can see a complete details. And this QR code can be scanned by the theater owners, and they will also be provide an Android app, and the app is free. This is the dashboard of the particular theater owners. They can see all this is their own dashboard. Each user will get like this a dashboard. They can go to their order section and they can see that particular order, or for that particular ticket they can see like this, and they can match and they can edit everything like this. And the another main function of this website is it's completely mobile friendly. So most of our customers are using mobile phone and booking tickets, so our website is also completely mobile friendly. They can see like an Android app on their mobile phone. So if you convert this website into an Android app with the web view, you can use that also, and you can upload it on Play Store. I already created a video for that, for how to convert the normal website into an Android app. You can watch that. Okay guys, this is the movie page, and same as the desktop function, all the functions is available on the mobile phone also. They can choose the ticket like this here, and they can complete the checkout. The customer can complete the checkout here like same on the desktop. Okay guys, another main feature of this website is have a scanning app for particular our vendors. Means the theater owners can install a Android app from the Play Store. The link for this all these themes and plugins I will give on the description box below. You can just get it from there. Once you go to the Play Store, and you can just install this app on the mobile phone, and you can enter your mobile number, the website URL, and the login credentials, and you can see all the events which we are selling on our website. And the customer can go to the settings, or our partners can go to the settings area, and they can just complete the settings like as they need. They can just enable or disable the settings according to their requirements for our partners like theater owners, show manager, etc. Okay guys, now this is the main page of our app. Now when a customer comes to our theater for the show, they can just scan this QR code like this with our mobile phone, as you are seeing in the video. They can just scan, and it automatically gets checked in like this. Their order status will be checked in, and you can also manually change all these statuses like this, as you are seeing in the video. It's super easy, and all these functions you can create without any programming knowledge or technical knowledge. Okay, so we can go to the video and check how to create this website. So in order to create this website, first you need a domain and hosting. And go to the hostinger.in. You can purchase a web hosting. Hosting means the space for keeping all our website files, and you can choose a premium web hosting, because low cost web hosting is not making some troubles and everything. It's you will get a cheaper price like this, as you can see here the price and everything. When you buy a hosting, you will get a domain for free, and you can choose everything on the hostinger website. And once you complete the checkout, you will get a control panel like this. Click on the manage section of their dashboard. Now you can install WordPress from this dashboard, from this control panel. You can easily install WordPress like this on the auto installer option. It's available on the control panel. You can see the auto installer option. This can install WordPress on our default WordPress website. So you can just click on WordPress, and you can just add the username, password, email, website title, etc. here, and you can just complete the installation. It's super easy, and you can also assist the hostinger support team, and they will also help you to install this. It's super easy, and just click on install and complete the WordPress installation, and wait for some time to get installed WordPress on your website. And once you complete the WordPress installation, this is your dashboard. You can go to your dashboard, your domain/wp login. Now you can install theme, and just click on themes and click on add new. Click on upload theme and choose file and install Woodmart theme. Install now. The theme link and all the links I will give on the description box below. Once you complete that, just click on activate the theme. Now the default WordPress website has gone, and a beautiful website theme has been installed on our website. Now just click on let us start, and you can just click on next, and you can complete the license setup and everything here, and click on next and choose the Elementor page builder. This is a very good page builder. Click on install and activate all the plugins and which comes along with the theme. Click on next step. This step is also very important. Here you can just import the dummy content. You can choose any of these dummies, and you can just import your favorite demo content from this, and I'm choosing this for this website. Just click on import, and now our theme is imported. Actually this take lot time. I just edited this video, otherwise it will take some time. Okay, it depends upon your hosting and everything. Okay guys, now our demo is imported successfully. Now we can just add some more plugins and some important plugins etc to this website. Go to the plugin section, click on add new. Now just we are adding some premium plugins. The link for that plugin also I will give in the description box, and we are just installing that plugins. Actually only 3 plugins are we are just premium, other all plugins are free. You can just always get it from your plugin directory of your WordPress website, right? Now like this you can add all the plugins and you can activate it. It's super easy, and just activate the plugin. You can just activate like this all the plugins and install, activate, that's all. Once you complete that, you can go to the plugin directory and you can add some more free plugins. The description of that particular plugins I will give on the comment box or in the description box, and I will give on the detailed link on the description box, so you can just go and you can find all these plugins there. Right now you can install variations such as for WooCommerce. This plugin is totally free and it has a high ranking and rating. Loco translate plugin, this plugin is can translate all your plugin textures. You can just translate all the plugins. And the WCFM plugin, which is converting your ordinary website or e-commerce website into a multi-vendor website. And just install another plugin, autocomplete WooCommerce orders. This plugin also very important, just install that. This also a free plugin. Now go to your plugin section and you can see all the inactive plugins here. Just activate it in a bulk mode. So instead of activating one by one, you can just firstly activate all these plugins, right? Now just go to the recipe plugin, another plugin. Just install this plugin also install. Actually we already done how to integrate payment option to the WooCommerce, so you can just watch that. Now just click on activate that plugin also. Now go to the settings area of the website and click on general, and you can here you can change the site title, tagline, etc for your website, and you can change the timings and the new user default role. You can just set up that. You can change into customer. You can change the date format here, time format here, and you can change the time zone like UTC. You can change according to your time zone. You can change that, and this all the important things when you create a website. Once you complete that, click on save changes. And now another important section is permalinks, which means your URL. So you can just change some common settings here. You can change into post name and change into default here, and click on save changes. Now the permalink section also we completed. Okay guys, now you can go to your WooCommerce settings and you can change all the WooCommerce settings here. This is an important part of our website. You can change all the WooCommerce settings here, but it's super easy. Okay, now you can change your country and state etc here, all the billing details, shipping details etc here. Actually all our product is virtual product, so we are disabling the shipping options, and you can change all other things like currency etc here. It's super easy. Once you complete the changes, click on save changes, then only the changes will be take place. Like this, you can go to the product option and you can change all the necessary things you want, and click on save changes like reviews, ratings etc. You can change here. And the payment option, this also important section. You can enable the cash on delivery or the razor pay here. You can just enable the cash on delivery, and you can change the textures of cash on delivery into the text what you need. You can just add that here. You can just add that here. You can just add that and click on save changes. You can just click on save changes and go to the account and privacy section. Here you can change the privacy sections. You can change the account details and everything here. Click on save changes and the email settings. Here you can change the email settings. Advanced section is available. All things are by default, it's okay. So if you want, you can change and you can see the changes. Now just click on the auto complete order. This you can change into any order, paid or unpaid, and click on save changes. For this website only I am just changing this thing. And now this logo translate plugin, this plugin can translate any plugin or themes, textures or labels like this. You can just change the product section into tickets. Okay, now to do that, just select the language you want and get start translation. Just click on that and you can just change that particular menu name products into like this. You can change all the textures or all the textures used, all the strings used on the particular plugin. You can change into the label, whatever things you want to add, you can just add like this. You can just replace the products into tickets. You can just like add this and click on save. And once you save that, you can just refresh and you can see the changes. Once you refresh that, you can see the products label has been changed. Like this you can change all the plugin strings and everything the way you wanted. Okay, like this the marketplace section. Go to the WCFM marketplace section and you can change all the WCFM settings here. The sold by label you can change into something else, and you can change the sold by position, etc. here. All the basic settings you can be changed from here, and click on save. On the dashboard section you can just upload a default logo and default quick access icon, and you can disable or enable all these options here. And the module section, this is also very important section, and you can just turn off or turn it on, which functions you need. You can just turn it off or turn off on here, right? Once you make any changes, click on save, then only the changes will be take place, right? And the geolocation, this is the very important section of our website. You can choose the map and you can install the GPS and everything here. You can change the maximum radius list. If you enable this auto filter option, the website will become GPS, and the customer, the location, the films will show according to the location. So you can enter the Google Map API key and you can install that. If you want the Google Map API key, I will give on the description box below. You can just get it from there. And all other settings you can just enable or disable according to your requirements, right? This plugin is totally free and you can just install it from your WordPress dashboard itself, right? Now store shipping settings and everything you can see here. Review settings are available. Vendor registration settings, you can just enable that or disable that according to your requirements. Like this you can change all the styles, etc. here. All other settings are super easy, and you can change the menu names or menu labels, etc. here. You can change the products into tickets, orders into something else. Whatever label you want to change, you can just change that and click on save. notification manager, all this you can just turn off or turn it on. Like this you can change the email settings and product type category setups. You can also add some additional features if you want. If you want like that, like these additional features etc., you can just contact us on our Facebook page, so we will help you to create that. Right now just go to the store vendors option here. Now when we click, it will be refresh it and it will get a new name like the station vendor. Right now you can add some station vendors, which means theaters or the multi vendor wherever the show is showing. So you can just add that everything like their username, password, and you can just add, or a customer can come to directly our website and they can just create a dashboard like this. Right, okay guys, now go to the Foo Events plugin, and this plugin is very important for this website. Now go to the settings of this particular plugin and you can just change all these settings according to your requirements. You can change the add to cart text and everything here. You can change the settings according to your requirements, right? And once you make the changes, click on save. You can change the terminology here. You can change the basic terminologies, ticket design, page etc. You can change the ticket color, ticket logo etc. You can just upload a logo for your ticket. You can add some banner, enable QR code etc. Like this you can set up the PDF tickets, seating arrangements. You can change the seating colors etc. here. You can change the basic colors and click on save changes, and the check-in app section is available. Here you can change the app sections, you can manage here. You can change the app logo and everything here from your dashboard itself. So when a partner will see this logo and everything on our app, you can here also you can integrate Google Map API key. Now we can add some ticket. Go to the product section and you can just click on add new and select the variable product. Click on attributes, click on custom product attributes. Here you can just add choose time. Here you can add the values like this, as you are seeing on the video like this. Add all your timings and click on variations and click on create variations. Here you can add some prices for each variations. Just add all these variations, click on save changes and go to the tickets event settings. Click on yes, click on the seating option here, choose the start date. If you want, you can fill up all other details like this time zone and the endpoint etc. here. You can enter the Google Map coordinates etc. here. If you want, you can just add that, but there is no much there, it is not a required option, so if it's optional. Right now these all just scroll down and you can see these options. These options are important, so if you mark all these options important, just enable that the important options you want on your billing details, so you can find all this on the billing details once a customer places an order. Right now you can add a short description about the movie here. Then you can just go to another ticket settings page and here you can change the ticket logo and you can see all these options. You can make sure it's enable or disable according to your requirements. Now go to the event settings option. Here you can just create the row, and for the seating option you can add some area name here like table etc. You can just add that row as you are seeing in the video. Then you can see that chart here. You can just click on apply, and you can just rearrange that here. You can see the front section here. All these things you can also just change it with the logo translate plugin, and you can change like the front page into screen, etc. here. Then you can just add the category, product tags, and you can add some more tags for your film here. Actually, the film can create only by the admin, and you can supply to the theaters. So the theaters can just accept that, and they can sell the tickets, right? That's the better and the only the suitable way for selling tickets. So you can design, so the theater owners may be not a professional to designs like this, so you can just create, the admin can create all these things, and they can just add it from their dashboard. It's super easy. Once you complete everything, just click on publish, and we need to add some more thing. Okay, we can add the station here. Just click on the station, the particular section. You can assign this film for a station, and another theater who is showing this particular show, they can also just add it from their end. So it will show, I will show it on the end side. Okay, now our movie page is just completely successful. Now a customer can book the ticket here. They can choose the ticket here and click on book now, and they can complete the checkout. And you can see by default all the billing details, there will be unwanted columns are available on our website, like the company name, the pin code for etc. like this, lot of unwanted forms or the spaces available. So we can disable all these things. We don't need customer street address and everything. Go to the plugin section and check out field editor. This is a free plugin. You can just get it from your WordPress dashboard itself, and install and activate that plugin. You can just install and activate that particular plugin, and you can just edit all these checkout field options. Just click on activate. You can click on the settings option of the plugin, and you can disable the unwanted fields on the billing section, like the billing company name, country, address, etc. here. For this website we don't need these data. Just disable that and make sure to click on save changes, then only the changes will be take place. Now go to the checkout field and you can just refresh that, and you can see the changes here. Now our checkout field is edited, and you can see the only the required details are available now, right? Now go to the Woodmart header section. Here you can edit your logo, etc. here, and the header section of your website you can edit here, and you can change the logo and the menu options and everything you can just change here on the headers builder section. And the theme settings, you can change all the theme settings here, like footer section and all the just you can just enable and disable, and you can see the changes. So I am not going to that now. It's super easy, and you can just change, and you can see the product page, footer section, footer credits, etc. You can just edit it from here, right? Now we can just edit our website details. Just click on edit with Elementor. You can customize your website here. You can change the first slide here. Just click on the slides option on your WordPress dashboard, and you can change this demo content into the way you want to add. You can just change your own logo, etc. here, your own banner, you can just add it here. You can change the featured image here. Then you can go to the, Elementor, and you can just edit that particular things on these slides, right? Once you make the changes, click on update and go to your website and just refresh, and you can see the changes here, right? Now just go to the another sections. Wherever you want to edit, just click on that particular section and you can just edit. It's super easy, and you don't need any technical knowledge or programming or designing knowledge. Just click on there and you can change the textures. You can replace the textures, everything here, textures and images, right? Like this you can change the poster options, and you can change some icons. If you want to change some icons, you can just upload some icon like this. When you change something, make sure it's on the correct size, that's all. Otherwise sometimes the website will show some bad images, right? Like this you can change all the filter options. Click on the attribute section and you can change the attributes here, or if you want you can just add the tag, etc. for the filter options. Now you can change the images here, and like this you can change anything you want. You can just change all the things on this website. Just insert the images, right? Like this you can change any contents on the website. You can customize the front page, and all the pages you can create according to like this. You can change everything here, and you can also change the product labels, etc. here. You can change the images, tabs, etc. You can choose the tabs, etc. here, the basic images, and you can convert or you can change into the your own images, right? Like this you can add the video links, etc. So it's super easy. You can just try it that. Once you make any changes, click on update, that's all. Okay guys, now we can go to the next section and the final steps. Click on the appearance and click on menu section. Here you can manage all your menus of your website. Here you can choose the demo menus and you can just edit that, or if you want you can just click on create a new menu and you can just create the menu. Now we are just editing a demo navigation menu. I am just adding some important pages to the particular menu for the login and for our partners. So here click on join with us. You can also edit these pages with Elementor, and you can add some benefits and some details about our website. So when a theater owners, they can just come to our website and they can just sign up and they can sell their tickets. Now you can show the menu settings here, and you can see now the newly created menu here. When a user come to our website and click on the vendor registration form, and they can sign up here as you are seeing in the video. Once they sign up, they will get a store setup dashboard like this. They can just complete one by one. They can upload the logo, banner, etc. here. It's full automatic process. You don't need to do anything after creating this website, right? This is the main advantage. Now just click on, now the user will complete everything, and they can just edit and they can just add all these details. click on continue, and they can complete all these options, and they can they can enter in their dashboard. Okay, once a theater owner, our partner, will complete their sign up process, they will get a dashboard like this. This thing we added, you can also add it from their backend. Right now they are just adding a product or a ticket like this. Click on add to my store, they can see a particular ticket is available, and they are showing this this movie on their screen. So they are just selecting that and go to their ticket section. Here they can just add this thing here. For this also we have an Android app for free on the Play Store. For this vendors, they can just choose this, and they have a product management, which is the WCFM product management app. I already created this video about this topic, so you can watch that. I will give the link for that on the description box below. Right now, if you click on that particular movie which we added, now this show is showing two sellers. Right, the one is like this. Now just we created, and you can click a customer, click on more offer, they can see another seller is selling the same movie here. See, and if they can choose they can choose according to their preference. The customer can choose. Right, okay guys, now that's all. Thank you for watching the video. You can also add more features to this website, and if you want to add more features or anything, you can just ask on the comment box below, or you can directly contact us on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.